So how long did this take you, Quick?
Eh?
How long did this take you?
No. I could probably do that in like 35 minutes, 40 minutes, something like that.
Is that sort of basically time limit you get for speed carvings?
Yeah, normally you get 30 minutes for a speed carve.
30 minutes?
Yeah, 30 minutes.
Bloody hell. Well, I couldn't do anything that fast.
This gentleman here, this is Alice Cooper of the Chainsaw Carving World. Very fast at carving fairy houses. Doesn't sort of like look the right person for carving fairy houses, but yeah, he does. Mark, just for the camera a minute, you do fairy houses, don't you?
I've seen him do skulls as well.
I've seen him do skulls and fairy houses.
Was it? With the ball in the cage. It's not so bad doing it on big stuff, it's when it comes to doing it on small stuff.
How long did that take you then?
About an extra hour on top of what a pen normally takes, so about an hour and 3/4 altogether. I've just done a... oh, got it?
Yep, got that.
Oil burner. 6 or 7 inches, 8 inches perhaps, and I've done it all, put the knot in, and I've done it in mahogany with beech. Right, I'd hollowed it all out, got the oil, fit for the oil burner to go in, and when I was powering it off on the lathe, it just fucking blew apart. Yeah, just as young as that best. Because it was ruined.
How did you get this paper from?
What mess? Mess? I see no mess. Not me.
I'm going to say not only have you got a leaky roof, mate, you've got a fucking sensible woodworm out there.
And the ball's not straight.
The ball's not straight.
I try to get into the festivities, I really do. All I can say is brains. Not as good as I get.